Oatmeal is a versatile ingredient that can be turned into a delicious and nutritious meal. Here are 5 different tasty oatmeal recipes to try. Classic cinnamon and brown sugar oatmeal. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, 2 cups milk or water for a lighter option, 1 to 2 tablespoons brown sugar, ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon. Instructions: in a saucepan, combine oats and milk. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to a simmer. Stir in brown sugar and cinnamon. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the oats are creamy and tender. Serve hot and add extra brown sugar or cinnamon if desired. Banana nut oatmeal. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, 2 cups milk or water, 1 ripe banana, mashed, 1/4 cup chopped nuts, walnuts or almonds. Instructions: cook oats with milk or water as usual. Stir in the mashed banana. Top with chopped nuts for added crunch and flavor. Enjoy the meal. Berry blast oatmeal. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, 2 cups milk or water, 1/2 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup. Instructions: cook oats with milk or water. Add mixed berries and cook for an additional minute to warm them. Drizzle with honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Peanut butter and banana oatmeal. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, 2 cups milk or water, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 1 ripe banana, sliced. Instructions: cook oats with milk or water. Stir in peanut butter until it's fully incorporated. Top with banana slices. Savory spinach and parmesan oatmeal. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, 2 cups chicken or vegetable broth, 1 cup fresh spinach, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. Instructions: cook oats with broth instead of milk. Stir in fresh spinach until wilted. Sprinkle with grated Parmesan cheese for a savory twist. Enjoy the oatmeal. Feel free to customize these oatmeal recipes to suit your taste by adding your favorite toppings like nuts, seeds, fresh fruits, or sweeteners. Oatmeal is a blank canvas for delicious and nutritious creations. Thanks for watching.